The Free Fridge in Malton is part of the Community Fridge Network, a national network, and we receive food, good food, that's short-dated but might otherwise go to landfill. It's given to us freely and we hand it out freely to all comers. We've had really good support from people in the town.
Not everybody can afford the expensive food. There is a lot of people struggling, and all these businesses are throwing out a lot of food that's just going to landfill, so it's benefiting anybody, not just people that can't afford.
I was long aware that Malton is a very foodie town, and it appears a very middle-class town, but there's always been the hidden underbelly of people who aren't getting enough. The Free Fridge rounds the circle of a food town, the fact that we're not wasting food, good food, and we're caring for the people of Malton and Norton.
Anybody's welcome. You're not going to be preached to. Just come and have a coffee and see what's in the fridge, and plenty of time to sit and chat.
It's been a great experience meeting people from all different backgrounds and helping people out, really.
It's just great fun, and we all have fun, and we all meet each other, and people blossom, and we're all learning stuff the whole time, and you just realise how generous-hearted people are.